So look at this, that's a Benz, a Mercedes Benz. So boom, Bank of India, Mombasa branch. It's called BOI. So BOI is an abbreviation of BOI, Bank of India, right here. So we are going to explore. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the Bank of India, up to that place right there. So Karibuni means welcome. So right here we are going to explore the old Mombasa. So old Mombasa, before Mombasa was Mombasa, before Mombasa is Mombasa, it was called old Mombasa. These were the first buildings that were built. So you see right here, these are the upgradation. So this is called the court chambers right here. But from the place that I was showing you, so it upgraded from this place to the other place. So this one here was the old Mombasa court chambers right here. But it seems like nowadays it's not working. It's just like structures right there. So you see right here, look at this wall right here. This wall, it was built by the Portuguese and Arabs. This wall right here, you see, it has some amazing 100 of years right here, 429 years. So right there, that's Fort Jesus. This one right here, it's Fort Jesus. So it's just a nice place, a really good place to be. So this is Fort Jesus from outside, right here. So that's a monument right there. So the thing is, you can tell even the business that is carried out of Mombasa, old Mombasa, is like something else. You see, this is how everything is. This is the racks. The racks look old, and right there you can see right there. It's an amazing place. So we are heading this place downwards. Yeah. So guys, you see right there, that's the old Mombasa. It's called, that's what we call like the Fort Jesus from outside. So that's Fort Jesus from outside. So you see, to this place, it's called old Mombasa. So we are heading to this side right here, downwards. So let that car pass. So this place means Ndiaku. Let me see this place first here. So you see this place right here, guys, it's called Mombasa Old Town Roads right here. I don't know if you can see it. Mombasa Old Neighborhood Improvement Works, which were genius right here. So you see this place, look at this place right here. Some enamel bowls. So it's called Ndiaku. Ndiaku, it's a Swahili word, means Njiaku, and this in Swahili they call it gundulia. It's called gundulia. It's a vessel. Yeah, it's called a vessel. So we are heading downwards, this place right here. So this is the old Mombasa town right here, and people there are just enjoying madafu right here. You see, enjoying madafu. So you see right here, so that's the old Mombasa. So this was the first Mombasa before Mombasa was Mombasa. So these buildings here were done what we call like were built by the Portuguese and the Arabs. And I don't know, you see right there, that place right here, we have some amazing flowers right here, and you see right there have some amazing fish. Yeah, so house for sale. So you see that one right there, it does what we call like, it shows you amazing places. So this is like I love Mombasa right here. This place shows like I love Mombasa. Just a nice place. See people here, business taking place, old old Mombasa. This way, this was our old Mombasa. Look at those houses right there, guys. Look, you see at this place right here. So these buildings look scary. Look, even some what we call like some of the trees have started coming out of this house. And this is like a stone. It was not like a house that was built, real house, but it was a stone which was carved. A stone which was carved this way up to that place. It was a stone, a real stone. This place right here on my left side, this way on my left, and we have some amazing cuts right there. So this is the real house, real one. But this one right here, it's an old Mombasa house. Was constructed. It was a stone which was carved to a certain house. But right here you can see. But for now, no one is staying there. So right here they say, boom, I love Mombasa. So that's it. I love Mombasa. So that's it. So we are exploring this old Mombasa street right here. You see? So this is it. Look at the buildings right there. No, for now no one is staying there. So let's head this way. So you see, so starting from Fort Jesus, you can come to this place right here. You see these fish? You see? The creativity is on another level. So this place right here, you can go up to downwards, this place right there. So you can go see the ocean, the Indian Ocean. So this is what you call like the old Mombasa town. Yeah, so this was Mombasa before Mombasa upgraded to high, tall buildings, skyscrapers. Before Mombasa used to have what we call like nice roads, nice buildings. This was Mombasa. They were like, look at that house right there. It's very old, very, very old, and very, very old. It has so many years, 100 years. You see, it has 400 plus years. Look at these buildings right here. Look at this building. It looks like it wants to fall. It doesn't want to fall, you see. Yeah, but this one, I guess it has been upgraded. You know, yeah. This, I think it was built by what we call like by the Arabs and the Portuguese. But for now, you know how people are here in our area. You see, so it's just nice. So you can be here and you see the amazing place. So when you are just at this place, you can see the amazing, great Indian Ocean. You see, right here. So people are chilling here, people are relaxing. So right from that place right there, and this place right here, you see, you have some big boys right here. So this is the great Indian Ocean. So you can see how it is from that place up that place. So we have a navigation pillar, which I was told, for if you haven't watched my videos, you can go watch my videos. That's a navigation pillar. From this place we have another navigation pillar right there, and this place right here you have Fort Jesus right there. So there is a construction going on right there, but I'll just show you how everything is. You see, this is it, a nice place to be. So let us head this way. There's a nice place. So if you see this place right here, this was old Mombasa before Mombasa was Mombasa, and there's a construction taking place. So this is a nice building right here. You see, look, man. Just a nice place. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. So look at the buildings right there, very old, too old. Yeah, so this was Mombasa before Mombasa was. Yeah. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from old Mombasa town. So for those who maybe want to be saying like, show us Mombasa, this is the other side of Mombasa, the first Mombasa. Yeah, as for those people who know Mombasa, Mombasa is an island. So this was Mombasa. I told you Mombasa is an island. So I'm taking you to where Mombasa was. So more videos coming from this place. Yeah, so ensure you subscribe and go check out my sister right here. Yeah, on YouTube at
Ogik Morin.
yeah, go check her out on YouTube at Ogik Morin. Ensure you subscribe. She's on the road to 1K subscribers. I really appreciate. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.